След векове, България отново е на картата на света. Трябват пазители на държавността. Преди 145 години се създава Върховната сметна палата, за да контролира парите в държавата и да даде на гражданите доверие и сигурност.
Good morning from Sofia. I'm on Vitosha Boulevard right now. I booked a guided walking tour this morning and I'm taking you with me. Let's go.
I like taking walking tours in new cities because they not only show you all the highlights and hidden gems, but also give you the stories behind them. It's always a great way to start a trip somewhere. We began our walking tour at the Ivan Vazov National Theatre, one of Sofia's most striking landmarks. From there, we walked toward the bright yellow former royal palace, which today houses the National Art Gallery and the Ethnographic Museum. A few minutes later, we arrived at the Russian church, with its golden domes and green tiles. We stepped inside briefly. Then continued to the monument to the Tsar Liberator, the equestrian statue that commemorates Bulgaria's liberation from Ottoman rule with the help of Russia. Next was one of Sofia's true highlights, the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. Its scale and golden domes are absolutely stunning. We also went inside. Just outside its doors is the eternal flame dedicated to the unknown soldier. And nearby are several historic religious sites that reflect Sofia's rich cultural diversity. Along the way, I passed a set of statues of people whose eyes were removed. Then we visited a hidden gem, the Arena Serdica Hotel, built on Roman ruins. Ancient foundations of the city of Serdica preserved inside a modern building. You should not miss this one out. We then headed underground to explore the vast Roman remains of ancient Serdica, literally beneath the modern city streets. Back at street level, we visited the Banya Bashi Mosque, a 16th century mosque still active today. Just behind it are Sofia's most thermal springs, one of the main reasons the Romans chose to settle here. Hot mineral waters flow continuously, and you will often see locals filling bottles to take home. Across the street, we stopped at the Central Market Hall, a building that perfectly blends historic architecture with modern life. I also visited inside on another day. It's surprisingly modern and very cool. Behind the market stands the impressive Sofia synagogue, one of the largest in the Balkans. A short walk away is another small Orthodox church. As we walked back toward the Presidency building, we saw the National Guard standing on duty. The changing ceremony takes place every hour, right across from the old Parliament building. I returned another day to watch it, a precise and proud display of tradition. Just behind this area lie more Roman ruins, where I ended the tour with the famous words attributed to Emperor Constantine: "Serdica is my Rome." During my visit, I also stopped at a couple of restaurants worth mentioning. Izbata restaurant, an authentic Bulgarian spot I came across, super affordable and delicious food. Social on Vitosha Boulevard, modern and cozy with good food. I highly recommend the warm chocolate dessert. It was amazing. One of the days I wanted to soak up some nature, and while I didn't make it all the way to South Park, Sofia has lots of green space, so I went on a long walk in the park, which I really appreciated. Hope you enjoyed this video. Next up will be Plovdiv, one of Europe's oldest towns.